Here it is, man. We found it. Took a while. Oh, quicksand up to our knees. Oh my God, look at this. This looks like the front of the plane. Surprised no one took it. It doesn't feel like it's super heavy.
The nose must have broke off right in front of their faces.
Yeah.
That's scary.
That's frightening. Here's the wings and the center of the plane and everything over here. It's a surreal experience sitting in here. Like, I'm not that tall and I'm filling up the whole space.
Oh, the electrical wiring.
Yeah. So this is how it was. The two pilots sitting in the jet. Minimal space. Probably thought they were just gonna have a routine day. And their final destination ended up in these swampy woods. So it was two men, and they did survive. They were picked up by a helicopter, and they left the plane here. Walking on the wing. fuel line. I've never seen anything like this before, especially to just be sitting in the woods for so long. I mean, I guess because this is such a swampy area, it's hard to even get this thing out of here, but or they just left it to let people enjoy, I don't know. Some of the metal is still shiny. We can't believe it. Like this part of it looks new still. Where the fuel went in. We're just standing here thinking about these two gentlemen, how they never thought that this would be the final destination for this plane, would be here. And I'm sure their lives flashed before their eyes right before the plane went down. Must have been pretty scary. Really interesting. Really interesting.
Just for a brief moment, put yourself in their position right now.
Yeah.
Just for a brief second, like your heart starts racing. Like I feel their energy. Like it's heavy.